Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making masala scrambled egg bhurji. Oil 3 tablespoons. Chopped onion 2 cups. Saute on medium heat for 2 minutes. Ginger chopped 2 tablespoons. Green chilies chopped 2 tablespoons. Tomato chopped half cup. Saute on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Close the lid. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Now add 6 eggs. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Scramble the egg. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Coriander on top. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.